Nature is something that needs to be cherished. We do not see nature with our eyes, but with our hearts. Any business that is partnered with nature on win-win concept will remain sustainable and successful and go miles. Avanti waste rejections are well planned. The wastewater coming out of the tannery has been treated with our own effluent treatment plan. The wastewater is collected in the primary collection tank and pumped to the equalization tank, where it is coagulation and flocculation takes place. Then the water goes to the primary clarifier, aeration tank, and secondary clarifier. From secondary clarifier, it passes to pressure sand filter, activated carbon filter, ultrafiltration, and to triple stage RO plant. The water coming out of triple stage RO is collected in a tank, and 50 to 60% of this treated water is used back in the process, and rest of 30 to 35% is used for plantation in Avanti premises. We have a strong research and development lab at the ETP plant where our environmental engineers work in and out for continual improvement to minimize solid and liquid waste. Avanti Group is very unique in every process they undergo and highly conscious in converting all metals and salts to pure organic matter systematically. Some of our sustainable measures to take care of our environment are here. Rejected RO water is evaporated to dryness through a multiple effect evaporator. The shaving and trimming waste from leather processing are being collected on a daily basis. The conversion of shaving and trimming waste into a natural protein filler takes place in our protein plant, which has a capacity of 10,000 liters with a special process. This natural protein fillers are used back for leather processing and production. The solid waste or sludge coming from the primary clarifier filter press is separated and isolated in a secured land space and kept for complete drying. Once dried, they are converted into powder by grinding machine, and it is taken through an exclusive process with earthworms, and then it is converted into a final biomanure. Our environmental engineers are working on this, and we are in progress of getting patent on this biomanure. The test report of the filter press sludge and the final biomanure are shown here as how we have minimized the total mineral in the soil. This soil can be freely used for farming, and we have planted around 50,000 trees with this biomanure in Avanti premises till now. From solar water heater, we convert and make around 200,000 liters of hot water a day, which is used for leather processing, in drum, and for finishing process. The hot water required for the tannery are fulfilled without burning the fossil fuel and wood. We also have a 1.5 megawatt of the solar power plant, which converts solar energy into a green energy. They can accommodate 50% of the electricity for the total plant from this solar power plant. Water conservation ponds. At our premises, we have many places where we save the land source water and rainwater, and the same are used for internal purposes in a systematic way. Water conservation is effectively carried out through rainwater harvesting, and the storage ponds are well maintained by a professional crew, which will also upscale the groundwater level. The work on getting the carbon footprint and Higg index is in progress. Human cycle and leather cycle. Human beings have several stages in life, right from birth till it reaches the state of decomposition and goes back to nature. Similarly, primitive men hunted wild animals which have a byproduct of skin that passes through several stages to reach its end finish as leather for the use of living beings and finally goes back to nature like any other living being as biodegradable. Solid and liquid waste are carefully processed and emanated without harming nature.